Hi, my name is Mallory Batey, and today I'm going to be doing our protozomes project. I decided to choose the crayfish or crawfish protozome, but we're going to talk about it. So, a crawfish is a crustacean that lives in freshwater. We mostly know crawfish from eating them, at your crawfish boils, and they're very known for being delicious, but there's some other qualities to them. So its classification, its common name is the crawfish, but the scientific name is the Procambarus clarkii. So its natural habitat and how it gets food is that crawfish are known for living in the freshwater habitats, like lakes, ponds, streams, and rivers. Some species do live in saltwater, but not a lot of them. They usually stay under rocks and burrow under the sand to stay hidden. And this is kind of how they stay away from their predators. They are really known for eating almost anything that comes in their path, like algae, insects, snails, and even, debris. Uh, so they are omnivores. They eat plants and other organisms. So its predator and prey relationships are shown. So crawfish prey on, like we had talked about, small animals, plants, and even debris. Um, they have their main predators like fish, reptiles, birds, and even mammals like foxes and stuff. However, the predator does need to have a certain strength in their jaws to be able to crack the hard shell that the crawfish has. Although crawfish do have their predators, they're also super fast and have responses that can help them escape their predators. So, some unique traits in crawfish that were adapted. Crawfish adapted to have their eyes to be located on the top of their body so that they can have a better view of their environment and they're able to see predators easier. They also go through a molting process when they grow. So, as each layer is shed on their outer layer, a new layer comes in. A cool adaptation is that the crawfish use chemical signaling where they are basically aware of each other and it mainly helps with their mating processes that happen, near summertime. Crawfish, the coloration in a crawfish can depend on the species or mainly the environment that they are living in, and it matches around to their environment. So crawfish are seen to fall under the phylum level called the Arthropoda. And these are just some pictures of the crawfish underwater. So crawfish, we know them for being delicious, but they definitely are super important to their ecosystems. Firstly, because they are a big source of food to important predators in the ecosystem. And that also goes along with one of the other bullet points is that they are a link in the food chain and the food webs of their ecosystem. So it's important that they stay there and that it doesn't get messed up because then the food chain or food web can get messed up as well. Another reason for their importance is that they burrow, and not only are they just creating a space for them to be, but they burrow and then they leave and burrow somewhere else. And those old burrow spots that they had create spaces for other organisms to live in. So it allows for all of them to hide from their predators. I also think it's super important that they're delicious. We love them for summer crawfish boils, and they are a great source of nutrients for humans. These are my works cited. And yeah, thanks for watching.